Here's everything you need to know about the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance in just 5 minutes. Does the paint match the rim or did the rim match the paint, man? Y'all drop a comment below and let me know, but we got 21-inch rims on all 4 corners with 2 95/30s in the front and 3 05/30s in the rear. And these tires look like they can use a little of that Bears Automotive Magic Tire Shade. Click the link below in the description to get yours. We got this massive Mercedes logo integrated in this all-black massive front grille. And speaking of black, we got a black frontless splitter, black air intakes, side air intakes along with a black side skirt, black quad exhaust along with a black legendary rear diffuser. We literally got digital crystallized LED headlights and taillights to match. Not only do we got an AMG ground graphic that pops up at nighttime, but we also got illuminating AMG door sills and illuminating Mercedes-Benz door handles. Your door handles are flush inside the car, but with your keyless entry, your door handles pop out. Now let's talk about the fun stuff, because you got a 0 to 60 in 2.7 seconds. I mean, you can feel every bit of that 1,000 pound-feet of torque. Now under the hood, we got something real ultra legendary. We got a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 producing 805 horsepower and 1,047 pound-feet of torque, paired nicely with a 9-speed automatic transmission, giving you 12 miles per gallon in the city and 19 on the highway. Now, even at my height of 6'10", I got decent leg room in this joint, but if I want great leg room, all I gotta do is kick my shoes off and I get full extension up in this thing, and you know my headroom is already sturdy. Your sunroof is fixed in place, so it can't open and close, but you do got a manual shade shutter that you can open and close. We got a flat bottom leather wrapped steering wheel that's even heated and lets you control things such as your driver assistance, volume controls, and your drive modes anytime you want to go from slippery, individual, battery hold, electric, comfort, sport, sport plus, and my favorite, race. Now through this steering wheel, you can also control both raising and lowering the front end of this whip to go over speed bumps and steep driveways and different things like that. But you can also control your skid plate. In case you gotta scrape something, you scraping that and not this legendary whip. But you can also control your exhaust note through here, engine boost, traction control, suspension, transmission settings, AMG dynamics, along with both raising and lowering your rear spoiler as well. Now the digital gauge cluster can also be reconfigured all by itself anytime you want to go from track pace, super sport, sport, classic, understated, navigation, assistance, and service. Not only does this infotainment screen look damn good, but this joint also offers a whole lot with things such as Apple CarPlay, MB apps, which has Amazon Music, Apple Music, Spotify, Tidal, weather, browser, comfort, which has your seat kinetics, lumbar, side bolstering, heat settings, and automatic seat positioning and ambient lighting with a bunch of colors to choose from, along with climate controls, heated steering wheel, phone, radio, media, charge information, performance pages that showcases your energy flow, drive, vehicle, engine, IWC, and consumption. It also showcases your track races information along with your drag race information and telemetry pages, man. That's a lot and legendary all at the same time. We got ambient lighting integrated in these legendary air vents, which already have a turbine type Gulfstream jet design, but to have ambient lighting integrated within them really just set this joint off, I ain't gonna lie. Both front seats are also heated and cooled. You even get memory seats for both the driver and front seat passenger as well. The center console gives you 2 cup holders behind a retractable door, a wireless phone charger, and 2 USB-C chargers. We got a leather wrapped armrest that can open with a push of a button, open and close individually or collectively, has an abundant amount of space, and 2 USB-C chargers as well. Now this backseat space just don't work for your boy. In fact, it's so small back here, I can hang my arm out the window like I'm sitting in the front seat. The way you get out is by simply pulling this lever and the seat will scoot forward and backwards automatically, but you also got hanger hooks back here as well in case you want to hang up your suit, because that's the only thing that should be back here. Now this trunk space is actually pretty abundant for such a small car, but you also got hanger hooks, tie down straps, LED lights, a fishnet for storage, a tire compressor with a kit, and your very own charging cables. You can even lay down the back seats by simply flipping a switch. This rear trunk lid can be both opened and closed automatically from inside the car or through the key fob. Now, when it comes to handling, there's not a corner that this joint don't love. Now, that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Mercedes-AMG GT63 SE Performance in just 5 minutes.